Okay, so we have the equation with one variable and the function, the variable like that. For example, I can multiply 6 with 8, and that's going to be 48. Yes, but the mostly closest numbers that are able to devise with all the numbers, including with those numbers, because this is one, and you're able to devise any number that you would like with one. So the mostly closest number for all of the number is 24. Just I remind you that 2x will be like that, and 19 also will be like that. Okay, so 24 divided to 6 is going to be 4, and I just copy the upstairs number and variable. Now we do have here the negative 2x, and because of this, it's going to be 24 multiplied with negative 2x, but I would like to do something, something like that. So it's going to be negative 24 multiplied to 2x equal to 24 divided with 8, that's going to be 3. I just make all the number copies, so it's going to be 2x with negative 16. Plus, it's going to be plus 24 multiplied to to plus 19. I just don't have to to draw a plus symbol, but I just would like it so that it will be okay. Okay, so 4 multiplied with x, that's going to be plus 4x. 4 multiplied to plus 2, that's going to be plus 8. Negative 24 multiplied to 2x, that's going to be negative 48. X equal to 3 multiplied to 2x, that's going to be 6. That's going to be plus 6. X, and 3 multiplied to negative 16, that's going to be, I think it's 48, but I would like to make sure. So 3 multiplied to negative 16, that's going to be negative 84. Yes, negative 84. Plus, I have to multiply 24 with 19, and 24 24 multiplied to 19. I don't have to write plus because it's clearly, and 24 multiplied to 19, that's going to be 456. I mean 456. So I'm going to write you 456 like that. Okay, so the variable go to the left side before the equation, and the number have to go to the right way after the equation. A negative 48x, for example, go to the left side before the equation, and plus 6x have to go before the equation, so we go left. Negative 48 have to be after the equation, so you have to be in the right. And that also have to be in the right because after the equation, because this is just a number. Okay, so in that case, we got here plus 4x negative 84x and plus 6x become to be a negative 6x because it's written after the equation and it's not supposed to be after the equation, and because of that I have to change its first to negative 6x. Like that. All of that are variable now equal to the number 8, not supposed to be before the equation, so I have to change the first of the 8, and plus 8 become to be a negative 8. Then negative 48. Okay, negative 48 and plus 456 plus 456. I just copied them like them is without to change them first because they live very exactly they're supposed to live after the equation. So negative 8, negative 48, and plus 456. 456. Okay, so that says that x equal to devising, let's see. Okay, so plus 4 with negative 48 and negative 6 equal to negative 15. Now, negative 8 and negative 48 plus 456 plus 456, that would be equal to 400. Okay, I think that 400 divides with negative 15, that have to be equal to negative 8, but let's see. So 400 divides with negative 15, that have to be equal to 8. Let's see, yes, and that's equal to negative 8. So let's say that x equal to negative 8. And that is how I was solve the puzzle. Now let's see if, just to make sure if that I solve correctly the puzzle. So negative 8 plus 2, and the basis is 6, with negative 6, 2 multiplied to negative 8, I mean negative 2 multiplied to negative 8, that would be equal to 15. Now, if that number also equal to 15, that says that x really equal to negative 8. Let's see. Two multiplied to negative 8 and negative 16. The basis is 8. Plus 19 have to be equal to 15. And yes, that is equal to 15. That says that x really equal, that says that x, that says that x equal to negative 8. And that is how I will solve the puzzle and make sure. For more verbal, stay with me in the algebra.